Hello friend, there might be a chance you might face some issues in SelectorsHub Pro 5.0 version. So let me help you guys to understand what are those issues and how you can resolve them. Those are not actually issues. So here is the solution. Let me show you. So one thing like side panel debugger not working. There could be a chance that you might face an issue while uh, using the debugger feature inside panel, like new redesigned SelectorsHub Pro side panel. Like here you see. So suppose you have open SelectorsHub Pro here by clicking on the logo, and here you want to use this debugger feature. So when you will hover on this, it says you open the DevTools, then click on this debugger icon. Like if you will directly click on this icon, then you might observe that debugger is not turning on after 5 seconds, which is the default uh, wait time for the debugger. So it is not getting started. So please open DevTools here, and you need not to open SelectorsHub Pro in DevTools, just open DevTools, that's it. And now if you will click on this debugger icon, and suppose if any like dynamic drop down is available or any value, that it will stop. Like for an example, let me show you on this page so that like better you will understand what is the use. So here suppose we want to inspect these drop down values which immediately disappear. So in this case, now if you will click on this debugger and make these values visible within 5 seconds, it will be able to pause, because now we have kept this DevTools open. So make sure that you keep this DevTools open when you want to use this debugger. And here you see that now this will not disappear and you will be able to inspect these elements. So this is how you can use the debugger. Keyboard shortcut is not working. Suppose sometime there could be an issue that your like when you try to open this SelectorsHub Pro as a side panel through keyboard shortcut, because now in 5.0 we support the keyboard shortcut. So you are trying to press the command shift S and it is not working. Like I'm pressing, it is not working. So this issue is there in Chrome version 1.14 and 1.15. From 1.16 and 1.17 onwards, Chrome has fixed this issue. So what you have to do, simply just right click on this logo of SelectorsHub Pro, click on manage extension. Here there are 3 horizontal lines, click on these, click on keyboard shortcuts, and here you see that command shift S. This is the shortcut key for opening this SelectorsHub Pro. So click on this and again press the same key, click on this edit icon, and now you press here command shift S, and you see that if you let's say open any website or anything, command shift S and it will open. Press command shift S again to close it. If you want to change or reset some other values, that also you can do, like let's say command shift M, and now if you press command shift M, it will open SelectorsHub Pro like this. So this you can change, edit, anything you can do. If your shortcut keys are not working, just re-edit them, same value, it will work. Then side panel not working when SelectorsHub Pro is opened in DevTools. So you might observe this, that when you have open SelectorsHub Pro here as a side panel, okay, and you have kept the SelectorsHub Pro, once again, let me just reopen it again in, like you have kept it open here and you have opened SelectorsHub Pro in DevTools as well. So in that case, this SelectorsHub Pro will not work inside panel. So both the panels will not work together at a time. Either you keep it open the side one, this is side panel we are calling, and this we are calling it as DevTools one. So if you have open DevTools one and side panel both together, then the first priority is always to the DevTools one. So if you want to use it as a side panel, then you will have to keep it closed, then it will work here. But if you will open DevTools one, then the first priority is given to the DevTools one. So make sure that if you want to use it here, then you keep it closed. Only in case of debugger you have to open DevTools, not SelectorsHub Pro panel, just DevTools. So these are some of the quick updates about these issues which you might feel as an issue. Actually those are not issue. So these are the solution and the reason behind them, that which one will work in which conditions. Hope this will help you guys. Thank you.